Hey guys, Anvey here and welcome back to my channel. And for this week's episode, we're gonna talk about viral marketing. So ano ba yung viral marketing? At gaano ba ka-effective ang viral marketing? Meron ba tong formula? Paano ba to gawin? Or sobrang dali lang ba nitong gawin? So I'm gonna share with you some tips about viral marketing in a bit. But again, for proper guidance, let's define first ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng viral marketing. So again, I'm gonna show here the definition of viral marketing para guided tayo when we start our discussion later on.
A few moments later.
So guys, the truth about viral marketing is that viral marketing doesn't have a proven formula to happen. Yes, narinig nyo yung sinabi ko, walang proven formula ang viral marketing. But of course, it happens. So may mga content talaga na pwedeng mag-viral in an instant at merong mga content na pinagplanuhan para mag-viral, no? So what I will share with you today is that I will give you top 3 things what you can do to somehow activate your viral marketing and make it possible. So guys, ang tip number 1 ko is that make your content relatable. Yes, you heard it right. Make your content relatable. So ito yung isa sa mga pwede mong gawing techniques so that your post would go viral or it will be most likely shared by people. So what do I mean when I say make your content relatable? So you have to convey an emotion, you have to convey and communicate an emotion that resonates to your followers, to your fans, and other people. Pwede itong nakakatawa, pwedeng malungkot, pwedeng, yun nga, parang triumph. So, depende sa'yo, no? But what I recommend is that make your content very relatable so that when people saw it, there is a chance or likability that they will share it. So guys, yung second tip ko is that make your content very timely. So what do I mean about that? So for other marketers or yung mga ibang marketers na talagang nagpa-practice ng marketing, I'm sure you guys are familiar with the term trend jack. So ano yung trend jack? So yung trend jack is that you are hijacking a particular event or a situation that is happening within an environment. So ano yung mga perfect example nito? Syempre meron na yung mga national situations, no? So pwede mong i-trend jack yung say for example, holiday, merong mga festivals, Christmas, or even yung mga certain competitions, no? Pwede yung mga basketball games. Say for example, ngayon nangyayari yung NBA Finals. So pwede kang gumawa ng relatable content about NBA Finals. So are you Team Lakers or are you Team Miami Heat? And then you create a content related to that so that a lot of people watching or supporting those teams could possibly share your post. And guys, yung third tip ko is that make your content straight to the point. So wag ka nang magpaligoy-ligoy pa. So kung meron kang gustong sabihin in a particular post, sabihin mo lang siya diretso. Wala nang mapalabok na salita, wala nang mahirap intindihin na salita, wag nang masyadong maraming graphics. You have to think fast, you have to think quick, and you have to think as soon as possible that you have to execute this, no? So, ang perfect example ko dito is that there is a known motorcycle riding brand. And then, of course, kung nakita nyo yung nangyari like 3 months ago or few months ago, di ba merong tumatakbong ostrich sa isang subdivision? So, yun yung perfect example ko when I talk about viral marketing or viral content. So, yung relatability nung tumatakbong ostrich, tapos meron siyang yung social media guy or yung marketing person nung isang brand na yon, nakita nila na merong helmet yung brand nila na nandun, and then automatically ang ginawa lang nila guys is they screenshot that frame na nakikita yung brand nila at nakikita yung logo, yung helmet ng tao, and then naglagay lang sila ng promo code na about dun sa nangyayari, and then they post it online. and it actually went viral. So that's a combination of the two main things that I shared the first time. So number one is that make your content relatable and convey a message or convey an emotion. And then number two is that communicate it as soon as possible and very timely. So isipin nyo kung pinost nila yon, kung nangyari yung pagtakbo ng ostrich kunwari today, at pinost nila yon like the following 2 weeks, tingin nyo ba papatok pa yon? Syempre hindi na, di ba? So yun yung combination of having a viral marketing. So guys, kung bago lang kayong nanonood dito sa YouTube channel ko or sa Facebook page ko, I would like to invite you to subscribe, like, comment, and share this content to your friends. So guys, sana may natutunan kayo sa 5-minute marketing tips natin this week. Again, kung meron kayong mga marketing strategy o mga marketing tactics na gusto nyong malaman dito sa channel natin, comment down below at sisiguraduhin kong babasahin ko yon. Bibigyan ko kayo ng mga realistic solutions that you can apply to your marketing challenges or to your business challenges. Again, I'm Anvey Factora. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you again next week.